You are here with Learn Igbo on igboticnono. The lesson for today is romantic Igbo names. Romantic Igbo names you can call your husband or one who you love so well. Igbo is a mother's tongue, so nothing to be ashamed of, okay? These are Igbo names if you wish to also give it to someone you love, okay? It can be a name as well. Before we proceed, during those days of our forefathers, our husbands are usually addressed as Nai, that is my lord, and or you can say Nayufu, that's big father. You know, during the days of our fathers, that is the name that is more often used. Okay, and the women are usually addressed as Oriako, someone who has come to its wealth, somebody who is eating wealth, or Odozi Ako, somebody who is preserving wealth. Okay, so some romantic Igbo names are as follows. Okay, we have my love. My love is Ihunanyam. 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 Then we also have my husband, which is very popular. Yes, most people use this. My husband means Dim. Dim. The romantic Igbo name, okay? Dim. Dim. Yes, as simple as that. Subscribe if you're yet to. I teach Igbo language. You will learn Igbo on this channel, okay? Learn to read and write in Igbo language, understand your Igbo phrases, and be able to make sentences in Igbo language, everything Igbo in general. Okay, so please subscribe if you're yet to, and support me. That gives me energy. We continue. I might be looking this way from time to time. That is because I have my notes down already that I am looking into from. Yes, I make my notes so that everything can be in order. And the next one is Oto Obim. Oto Obim in Igbo language means my sweetheart. Oto Obim, sorry. Sweetheart is Oto Obim in Igbo language. Sweetheart, Oto Obim. Sweetheart, Oto Obim. And we have also my joy. Amorem. My joy. Amorem. My joy. Amorem. My joy. Amorem. And we have also my baby, which is very often used. This is very often used. My baby means tata. Tata. That's my is so put it within the name to personalize. You personalize my baby tata. Tata. And we also have my pride. My pride. My pride. And we also have my king, Ezem. My king, Ezem. My king, Ezem. We also have king of my heart. King of my heart. We also have king of my heart, Eze Obim. King of my heart, Eze Obim. King of my heart, Eze Obim. We also have my happiness. My happiness, Obi Omam. My happiness, Obi Omam. Okay, we also have my egg. In English, this particular name in English sounds somehow, right? But in Igbo, it's a very regular name. In Igbo, it means Akwam. Akwam. Remember the is ownership, personalization. Akwam. That's my egg. So guys, we have tons and tons and tons of Igbo romantic names, but these are the ones I finally selected that we use much often and means very dear to our Igbo men. So feel free to use any of this name. Some people also name their children after this name, so feel free as well, because it's neatly and nicely and meaningfully selected. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.